Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here with a new video guys, and it's specifically about the lighting. So basically in Scram 440 I've been always telling the stock headlights have not been so great, and it is always preferable to actually have a fog light installed. I've installed the Alpha Maddog, Maddog Alpha model with the Pro harness kit. So I'll compare both with the stock headlight as well as with the fog headlights. That difference will actually make you think of getting one for yourself. So stay tuned. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guys, I'm in the basement right now. I'm going to show you how the Maddog light differs from the stock headlight. I'll show it in itself. So I switched on. So this is actually the dim of the stock headlight which we get in the Scram 440. But when we ride in the highway, if there's an opposite vehicle which is coming with high beam, trust me, these lights are of no use because we can't see anything. Now this is the high beam, the low beam, the high beam, the low beam, the high beam, the low beam, the high beam. But keeping it low beam, when I switch off the Maddog, just look at the coverage it gives. So this is the kind of coverage what you get from a Maddog Alpha, exactly on the mudguard clamp. You know, if you fit it in that, you get such a big visibility. You can see on that side you have light, this area is covered, and that area is also a bit of scar, but this is main of a straight point. It's like a focus, not a wide light which will give you the width, but it is a focus light, so it focuses on one point. But when you have an object in the front, it will cover the whole area like this, like both the sides. Here you have. When I switch off the light, just look at the kind of brightness it reduces. So that's it. So just imagine this is the full light, this is the high beam, this is the low beam, high beam, low beam. This is not helpful. So basically, but the look of the bike really looks nice when the headlight is on. I'll just show you that as well. So if you come here, the bike look is really nice when it comes to the headlight. When you see the headlight switched on, it looks really nice. This is the low beam right now. I'll switch on to the high beam. So this is the high beam. So basically these two LEDs, these two side LEDs are there, right? These two side LEDs will be the high beam. So now I'll switch it off. I'll show you. So this is off, low beam, high beam, low beam, low beam. This is low beam, high beam. So this is how it looks. But when you switch on the Maddog, the kind of coverage you get and the look for the bike also betters, and the coverage is really wide what you get. So look at the kind of range you see here. It's really wide. So that is one of the reason, guys. Scram's headlights, I won't say Scram, generally the new models of Royal Enfield are not so great. Actually, that's what I heard as a feedback. It doesn't have good lights, that's what they say. So having a fog light installed is a better option what you can think of. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get regular notification on more and more videos about biking. So thank you so much guys, all have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, switching on the mad light, saying peace out. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.